Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All the Smoke. If you want to know what my channel is about, check out my introduction video in the About section. Anyway, today it's a different thing, smoked chicken. Now, I'm gonna take it outside to smoke it, but before we do all of that, you know what normally happens? We get the AP rub on there, then we get the brine on there, then we get the seasoning on there. But the brine and the AP rub happen first, go in the fridge for 12 hours, take it out, put the seasoning on there, throw it outside on the smoker for 6 hours, and we have a moist, flavored, smoked chicken. This is my wife's favorite, she requested it. As always, hopefully you guys love it. Don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we're back. Now, where do we start? Let's get all of this stuff out of the way. Don't want nothing to distract us. We're gonna basically take the bird, we're gonna cut the spine out. Got some scissors here. They're not necessarily the best for this, but you know, gotta get the job done. The idea is you wanna kind of remove the spine, and when you remove the spine, we snap the bird and it will be laying flat. If you've got some good scissors, it will go through this like dessert. Then we end up with a broken bird. Now, the next stage, you want to kind of lay it down because we're going to press on the top part and you hear a little crack. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you want it, make sure you've got that bone cracked. It wants to be flat, just like this. Because this is how we're gonna put it outside on the smoker. But you know what the process typically starts with is the AP rub. So let's get that marinade. Keep one hand clean and we mix it up. They've injected it pretty good because there's literally no juice anywhere. That's just all in the bird. That's what we want. Keep all that marinade in the bird. There you go. All right. So I'm happy with that. What happens next? This bird's gonna go into the fridge for about 12 hours. So I've got my lovely gloves on, which have this insulated gloves under those, so I can touch cold food, really cold freezing food. I can touch hot food, really hot off the barbecue food, and I have no problem whatsoever. As you see, some of the seasoning of the brine has slightly seeped out, but that's cool. Don't worry about that. We're gonna take care of that. Alright guys, so hit pretty good, hit really nice there. As you can see, next step now, go outside, get the smoker ready, put the chicken on there. Oh, slow down. I forgot a good step, a simple step. We're gonna lay the nest. We have to lay the nest. So you know what? I'm gonna show you guys when I'm outside doing the nest. I'm gonna get it all prepared and put the chicken on top of that nest. I'm back, we're outside, managed to prep the barbecue, get it ready for you guys. As I said, it's about 8 in the morning, so it's a little bit chilly over here. Sun's out though, that's good. So as always, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. I've managed to prep most of it, so it's pretty much just show it to you, put it on, cover it, 8 hours, live, 5 hours, and we can get going, okay? All right, so got the bird, got the coal prepped, got my nest. This is what I call the bird's nest. Chicken's gonna sit on top of that bad boy. Herbs and niceness, I think you can see. So everything's been pre-prepped, coal's ready, chicken's gonna go on top, as you can see. Let's get this party going. Ready. It's been about 5 hours, smoked nicely, but let's take it all the way to the beginning. Hit it with the AP, hit it with the brine, let it sit for 12 hours, hit it with the all-purpose, my chicken, barbecue chicken seasoning, smoked it for 5 hours, and we are here. This is where we are. This is what we wait for. This is where we get excited. Bam. So the most exciting part of the day is the part where you taste the food you just made. And it is damn crispy. Get the heat coming off that bad boy. I'm gonna get this stuff out of the way. You can see we've got some juices here. Oh gosh, oh my days. Can you guys see how it looks, how brown it looks? I don't want to flip it on its side, but it's just ripping apart. Give you a little sound test there. You can see the skin is crispy. Oh wow. Salivating, as you know. But this is awesome, guys. It smells awesome. It smells amazing. The nest is really soaked in the flavors. I mean, you can turn a lot of this liquid into a broth if you want. Just a little side sauce with the chicken. But I'm gonna cut a thigh off, and then I'm gonna place it on this smaller wood board and dice that up and get some flavors going. Let's do this, guys. See if I can just rip it off. It would be awesome. Oh my days. Oh, juices everywhere. And it really holds, oh, I can't even talk. It really holds the moisture. I don't know if you guys can just have a look at that. I don't want to, you can see how moist. You can see the sauce is just dropping, but it's cooked through, guys. It's cooked entirely through. There's no blood. Oh, baby, baby, baby. That's so good. Yay! If I could sing. Put this to the side. Bring this over here. And I'm gonna bring that camera, I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys get a real taste of what's going on right here. Give me a couple of seconds, I shall be back. All right, guys, I'm here. Got the close-up going for you guys. You can see this bad boy is nice and juicy. Look at the sauce. Bring it up, right up in your faces. Cooked through. Bring it up in there just so that you can get an idea of what's going on here. You can see the liquids. You can see the sauce. So I did first. Let's get a little dice of this. Okay, yeah. Got a bit of bone there, so I need to maybe go a different angle. Yeah. Oh, just get that off. Let's try this side. Yeah. Get a little nice piece there. As you can see, you got some lovely skin going on there, cooked to the bone. They try to, wow, beauty. Got some nice pieces here. Separate those real quick. Get the drummer, put that there. See if I can find some meat here. Oh, this is beautiful. Cooked through. I'm just trying to show you guys. You know, really nice. Telling you, it's falling apart. So you guys can see what's really happening here. Just, oh, it's a thing of art. It's a thing of art. Skin really crispy, which is what we're going for here. You know, separating the pieces out. Put the skin over here. You know, some nice choice meat over here. I mean, it doesn't get no better than this, guys. It just tastes amazing. Go for a taste test. Flavors are rich. Flavors are awesomely rich. You get a strong taste of the paprika. Yeah, definitely. I got some potatoes in the oven going along with these. Try the skin. Ah, guys. Just a problem. Just a problem. As you can see, guys, I did my best to show you the whole experience here, the whole flavors, the whole seasoning, the taste. I mean, this thing tastes amazing, guys. Make sure you try this. I'm gonna go and get some potatoes, some veg, make a meal out of this bad boy right here. Hopefully you loved it. Guys, give me your feedback, give me your comment. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up.